first meal in Mexico City. Korean barbecue. As it should be. As it should be.
So we are here with Eric Kim doing his street photography workshop here in Mexico City, and we just had a nice brunch at this fancy restaurant at the Hilton. It's gonna walk around the city, the historic district a little bit today, and have a nice fancy dinner tonight somewhere nearby. So Eric's here just kind of giving some instructions how to shoot, camera settings, that kind of stuff. So yeah, let's hit the streets.
Muchas gracias para tomar su foto.
We are here in Cabeza, and we are at Molino El Pujol, and this is the sister restaurant of Pujol, which is one of the 10 best restaurants in the world. So this is like a side project they made. Everything here is made with corn. So I guess even the drinks, tamales, tortillas, and the mole they make here, and they send it over to Pujol. So, you know, easier way to get some of the highest rated food in the world is coming to this over here. So yeah, we're gonna give it a try.
Here in Mexico we have a special project. The name is Boomerang. Okay, why? Because for example, Enrique invites different chefs around the world to cook at Pujol, and then he goes to cook at that restaurant. For that reason, it's Boomerang. Fabian is a chef who cooks there in contract. He's the owner, and now Enrique is gonna cook there in New York.
We are here at Maroma in Roma Norte, and this is Eric's favorite restaurant, I think he said in the world. So we're in for a treat tonight. It should be really nice, and we've got a treehouse upstairs, cool bar right there, and this is right next door to my other favorite restaurant, Rosetta. So we are here in Polanco, and this is the main shopping street with all the fancy brands. So this is pretty much Rodeo Drive of Mexico. So we got Escada, Fratina, Hermes. I haven't even heard of some of these brands, but I guess they're fancy. We're at Dulce Patria, and this was the fanciest, tastiest meal so far.
Ooh. ¿Puedes comer? ¿Sí? ¿Es arte o comida?
Las dos cosas.
Las dos cosas. Ah.
That's ceviche, huh?
Quesadilla.
Oh.
Oh, you're eating more stuff?
I feel like we'll be here for the next 5
That
hours.
was the appetizer.
That was the
only.
appetizer.
Check it out. This arrachera looks good.
The texture, the presentation comes with like a piece of candy jerky. Makes you like regain faith in life and humanity. It's like the most beautiful experience I've had in my life. Oh, God.
We had, I think, the best meal of the trip so far here at Dulce Patria. Excellent food, well worth the price. You gotta come here. All right, we're getting tacos now.
Pero mi pelo es coreano.
So what do you think?
Familia.
Amazing, huh? Rex taco. And it's all falling out. Oh, it's so good.
¿Dónde empieza el tour de México? ¿En Salinilla? Empieza en el puerto, sí. In a, you know, street food
Not meat.
spot. On a very popular neighborhood.
See, now eating all this fancy food, this just has that punch of flavor that you don't get at the fancy restaurants. That's so good. That meat, look, it's just dripping juice. Oh. Oh, it's so good. I'm so full.
¿Y te deja dinero? Sí. ¿Y ves aquí pasaron las chamacón, no niña nada? You get it? No. Like, he loves to do what he wants to do. And sometimes the good girls goes at by.
Ooh, that sauce is hot.
Oh, that's hot sauce, but
Ooh, it's good. Oh, man, I'm tearing up. Alright. That's it from El Turks. Gotta come here every time you come to Mexico City, here in Polanco. El Turks.
Taco de suadero. Muy rico. Muy sabroso.
Good meat.
Tacos de mi cuñado.
Very good meat. We are here at Eric and Cindy's favorite taco place in the area. El Turks is still, I think, the best, but we'll see how this is. This is suero. It's beef. I had 3 of these this morning, so getting 2 more right now. All right, let's eat. It's falling apart. Thing's packed. That's spicy too.
What does it taste like?
It's like got a crunch to it. It's got a bunch of flavor. Look how juicy it is.
Ooh, what'd you put on top of it?
Pineapple and then some red, pretty hot red sauce.
So is this one of the best tacos you've had?
Yeah, I think so. It is up there. It was like in the top 3.
We're at Casa de Antonio. It's apparently one of the most popular places. I ordered the pozole with cabeza de cerdo, which means head of the pig. And so I've never had this before, so let me take a taste. So I had no idea this was a soup. It's actually really good. It's super rich. There's a little piece of lettuce, iceberg lettuce. Don't get the iceberg lettuce. I'm gonna try some of the cabeza, the head. Wow, this is really good. Super soft, super rich. Kind of reminds me of eating pho, like the Mexican version of pho. A little bit spicier. Wow, this is super rich. So, if you love fatty, richy stuff, get the cabeza, get the pozole, and you'll be happy in heaven. So we ordered 2 orders of cochinita pibil, which is like slow cooked pork. It's my personal favorite. I follow mostly low carb, keto diet, whatever. So order without tortillas. So just 6 chunks of meat. I'm gonna eat it with my food. And man, we're having like feast here. I'm like loving it. All right, so I'm gonna take a bite. More sabroso, good. It's not as good as El Turks, but that's not fair. It's a little more on the tougher side, but still tastes really good. I think you could use a little more seasonings and stuff like that. But as long as they get meat for cheap, I'm happy.
Right, we are here at the Mercado Roma. Here with, no, that's not John, that's Alan. So we are getting some chicken tostadas, and Alan got some pozole. So, how's it?
It's good. Nice flavor.
Cool. All right, so let's try this tostada. Not as easy to eat as a taco. Much harder to eat than a taco. How's the pozole?
Really good.
Yeah? Right, Fogo de Chao, we got our salad bar. So it's only like $12.50 for the salad bar. And then we added some meat for like $4 more, so really good deal.
I thought for the price it was really good. I really liked the steak that we had. Love the side dishes. I think I went a little too crazy on it, but I think I would come again with maybe an even bigger appetite and try some of the different meats.
For Fogo de Chao, $22 with tax and tip for one meat selection and unlimited salad bar, but I just did one big plate. But the meat was good. For 22 bucks, can't beat it. So I keep seeing Church's Fried Chicken everywhere, so I had to stop for a couple pieces.
Oh, it's dry. Wow. That is so dry. I mean, the crunch is good, but man, I haven't had this chicken this dry in a long time. Wow, that is not good.
In Mexico City, back at Nara, my favorite Korean barbecue here, and we got Alan here. So tonight we actually made it on an all-you-can-eat night. So it's 300 something pesos for the top meats. This is going to be about $20 a person. But actually, the last two times I came, it was about $20 a person, just selecting certain meat. It's going to be a good deal. And we're going to eat a crap load of arrachera. All right, I got my first piece of arrachera. Give this a little try. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Arrachera is the best meat here. If that was some kimchi. Oh, that is good. Okay, we're gonna see how many plates we can eat. So we are having a fancy brunch here. Check out the view. Right, so we got some fancy stuff here. Chicken and apple sandwich with this tiny bit of lettuce. Ooh. Tangy. Let's try this chicken. Chicken's good. Big sandwich. Oh. It's like a curry. It's like a curry chicken. How's yours?
It's good. Very displayed very well on the plate, of course, for Instagram and other social media. But it's a nice, colorful, and tasty spread.
Now here are the Shaolin Bao soup dumplings. We got some beef dumplings, barbecue pork, sweet and sour chicken, lettuce wrap, and some wonton soup. soup dumpling in Mexico City. This is a big thing of meat. Totally different. It's good though, huh? It's done in squirt. It's like meat with some soup in the spoon.
I actually don't like when the soup dumplings, when you eat it, when the liquid kind of like just pops out and squirts all over the place. It's very messy, and I kind of prefer a drier soup dumpling like this. And it's cool. It's on the spoon.
We're back at Dulce Patria, my favorite restaurant in Mexico City.
Got duck mole, which kind of looks like a brownie.
The duck brownie.
I'm sure each bite will be worth it.
Alright. And I got a little piece of filet. Alright, what did you get?
I got the tuna with some kind of very delicious sauce.
And you got a meat soup. How's the duck?
Really good.
Make sure to save room for the dessert here. It's delicious and looks amazing too. Last dinner here in Mexico City. I got Japanese food. I think Mexico City is my favorite city in all of Mexico. The variety and quality of food just can't be beat. From street food to five-star restaurants, it's all so delicious and such a bargain. I will definitely be back soon. There's so much more I have to eat here.